Hi everyone, this is Kinjibo Vlogs. If you're after based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to the channel agad-agad gawa ng reaction video ang Barda compilation. So second number, I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. This is came from Binibining Anonymous for today's video. Privacy is power. Barbie Forteza and David Licao, which is I couldn't agree more. Dami-dami ba naman ng mga issue, ng mga lumalaga na for today's video. Parang sabi mo talaga na it's better. Yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na it's better na tahimik sila kung meron mang something. Although nakikita na din natin kung anong meron sa kanila eh. Pero mas okay na tahimik na lang sila because ang daming evil's eye. Ang daming taong kumikreate ng masama. Ang daming taong kumikreate ng hindi maganda sa kanila. Ang daming taong kumikreate ng chismis in regard sa kanilang dalawa, although ni isang resibo wala silang maipakita. Although ang mami na ni David nagsabi na single si David walang girlfriend, pero pinaglalandakan nila na meron daw talagang girlfriend and wala daw talagang barda. Doon pa lang sa tanong ni Barbie Forteza kanina, or sasagot ni Barbie Forteza kay Tito Boy Abunda, na kung may nanliligaw sa kanya. Dear, kung may nanliligaw sa kanya na hindi si David Licao ko, hindi yan ganyan umawpi or mag-act si Barbie towards David, and also vice versa. Even David Licao ko, the way David what you call this, the way David mag-chismis, mag-act towards Barbie Forteza, ibang-iba kung may girlfriend man si Barbie. Ako may girlfriend man si David, ibang-iba. So basically, wala kayong mapapala sa mga fake news ninyong pinapalaganap. Sa totoo lang. I'm telling you guys, I am telling you, wala kayong mapapala. Kung may source kayo, and yan yung source nyo, well, mean to say, iwanan nyo na yung source nyo na yan. At hindi yan totoo. Sa totoo lang. Hindi yan totoo. Anyways, without further ado, let's start this. Okay, I have to share this to you. I have, kilala ko, meron akong kilala sa GMA mismo na work. As you can see, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, naka-whitelisted ako sa GMA. Kung makikita ninyo, kung gumagawa ako ng content sa GMA, even ako na lang ata siguro gumagawa ng Divas of the Kingdom kasi yung iba binablock nila pag gumagawa ng reaction video sa mga for All Out Sundays and everything. So that is GMA, and makikita nyo naman yung GMA mismo na YouTube channel na nag-comment sa channel ko. So basically, may kilala ako doon. Actually, start pa lang na Maria Clara at Ibarra. May nagsabi sa akin na, nako, kilala ko yan si Barang. Si Barbie nang sila pa nagtsaka. Ang sabi talaga sa akin, kilala ko yan si Barang pag ma-inlove yan. Sabi niya, iba yan. Pag ma-inlove yan. Eh basically, hindi lang naman isang beses si Barbie na hurt sa ex niya. That's, hindi lang yung isang beses. Sa totoo lang. So, I don't wanna spill any tea, but yun na yung sinabi talaga sa akin before. Naalala ko talaga na kilala ko yun si Barbie po may love yan. At that time, sobrang kasagsagan ng Maria Clara at Ibarra noon. Kilay talaga yun. Anyways, panoorin natin ito. Okay, this is from Binibining Anonymous.
The kind of love I treasure now is the kind of love that is not seen by the public. Really empowers me as a woman, inspires me to be better every day, continuously making me happy every day. Don't give in to the pressure of it. Kumbaga parang, kung may in love kayo naturally.
Oh, exactly.
Both pressured.
Exactly the point. Just
Sana, gawin yung private, kung magiging kayo man, kahit love.
tama. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Masyadong makagulo sa professional work nyo.
But sometimes good things fall apart or better things can come together.
Tama nga ang sabi nila na good things happen when you least expect.
Ang galing din ito mag-analyze ni Binibining Anonymous eh. For me, that's David Fowl.
Siyempre ang ating supporters, diba? Yes, to the fans, salamat po sa inyong paniwala. And yung katulad ni yung sinabi ni David, to Jeremy and to Sparkle, maraming salamat po. Thank you! Paniwala. And yung katulad ni yung sinabi ni David, to Jeremy.
Okay. Di ba? May aayayaan pa.
Actually. Maglabas, sakto tayo. Oh, tara! Busy yung friend mo eh. Ikaw din daw eh.
Ikaw din daw eh.
Oh, ay, oo.
Oh,
Sorry naman dyan.
ay, atake. Kuya Kim, eto na. Eto na. Exactly.
What is it about running?
I feel like it's something I have control of. It's an escape from reality para sa akin na pag alam kong tatakbo ko, ang focus ko lang is on my pace, distance, time. Talagang limot ko yung mga iniisip ko sa trabaho,
True.
office, ganyan. Nakakatuwa kasi lately, active din po akong mag-participate sa charity fun runs. Yung newfound hobby ko na mahal ko, na nagagamit ko pa siya to a better cause.
To a better cause, okay.
Moving forward also means a lot of times
Yes.
changing your hairstyle. And
Do you
if
like
hindi
it,
totoo to,
Tito?
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Dapat hindi nyo makita si Barbie. O, lagi mahaba yung buhok ko. Sabi ko, paano ko maiiba si Noreen? We're gonna do murder mystery, family revenge drama. Kailangan edgy in a way, very different dapat, coming out of the box,
Ganda.
diba? Stepping out from my comfort zone.
True.
And what better way to do that than to fashion a new hair, diba?
Diba?
Exactly.
Short hair is a statement.
Ganda.
Yeah.
It's a statement again, inuulit ko lamang, that you are moving forward in life.
Ngayon, when I say I'm in my self-love era, it's more of really enjoying my time and really prioritizing myself at kung ano talaga yung gusto kong gawin.
People are interested to know about your love life, about David.
Diba, yung pagkakasabi pa lang na about David, pero about you, David, about love life. Pagkakasabi pa lang.
We have a lot of branches.
On her team,
Kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat kami dahil
Ingat na ingat.
hindi pa rin
Ingat na ingat.
nawawala yung
What
trust
is ingat na
namin ng
ingat?
fans, ng fans. Nararamdaman pa rin namin ang pagmamahal sa amin ng mga tao, and so we're grateful for that.
About beautiful, powerful.
Powerful
Beauty brains.
friends.
Running, dating.
Running.
Short
Running.
hair, long hair.
Short hair.
Kape, wine.
Kape, wine. Oh! Eto yun. Eto yun. Bakit tinitigilan ko, lover? Oo.
On.
Okay.
Mag-move on o marathon?
Mas mahirap
Yes.
mag-marathon.
Mas battle sa bashers.
Hindi na.
True.
Your comfort food.
My comfort food, Korean spicy
Your
noodle.
guilt masarap.
Mas
Single
masarap.
or taken?
Single.
Single.
I think ito po.
Yes, exactly. Yan talaga. Ay, yun na yun, the sentence behind them. Exactly.
Hindi pwedeng silent. May nanliligaw ba sa'yo?
Oh, loko. Loko. Oh, loko. Silence means? Exactly.
May nagmamahal.
Oh, may nagmamahal.
Hindi. Makatrabaho ang ex.
Oh, yes din. Lahat yes talaga. Alam mo, Binibining Anonymous, tama ang ginawa mo. Tama talaga lahat ng silence means yes niya. Lahat talaga ng sagot niya. Ano,
Hindi.
O hindi depende. Magpaligaw na.
tama talaga.
I am having the time of my life.
Ay, tapos na yun? Ang galing niya dito. Grabe. Ang galing niya dito. Manood kayo. Kasi parang feeling niya daw, pag pinatay daw yung ilaw, parang ganun yung feeling. Pag palapapun. Ay, grabe. Ang galing. Umiyak siya dyan.
Oh my God.
Oo. Ang galing niya. Ang galing niya talaga. Ang galing niya. Ang galing ni Barbie. Grabe. Anyways, there you go guys sa December 4 sa video. This is Kid Vlog. This is your next vlog. Bye.